Greetings of love, peace, health, happiness, and prosperity. I'm Dr. Akilah, and today I'm going to show you a quick video on how to make natural cough syrup. Okay, all you're going to need is organic honey. You can use raw honey also. This is very good. Make sure it's organic. A little container. You're going to need only 2 inches from ginger, raw ginger root, and a strainer. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we want to peel the skin off of the ginger root. So let's do that now. Okay, there, that's peeled off. Okay, now let's clean all of this out of the way here. Okay. Next, just grate the ginger root. Okay. Now, the rest is thread, so what we're going to do is I want to get the juice out of here. So I don't even want to, even though I'm going to throw this away, I don't even want to waste the juice from this ginger. Okay, and now we take all the stuff that was shredded. Let me get a better strainer than this. I decided to get an open one instead of this one's easier to manage. So put it over the thing and then get the juice out first and then let that go in there like that. And then just push it down. And see all of the ginger juice come out like that. Okay, there. See? That's your ginger juice. Now, we're going to use 1 teaspoon of honey. I want to make sure I get all of that out. Waste not, want not. Okay. And take a toothpick and stir it all together. Now I'm going to add a little water to this, a little hot water to it, because I need the honey to blend in. Okay, now I have the hot water, just came out of the kettle. Pour it in here. This is 1 ounce, by the way. And stir. And the honey should really blend in like that. And there you have it. Okay, and here you have it. Now I want to tell you something. Do not drink the whole entire thing. You're going to only drink, this is a 1 ounce shot. You're going to drink half of it in the morning and the other half in the afternoon. And you will notice your cough will immediately go away. So just only have half now and half later. It's really spicy. It's not bad either. And that's that. So that's half of it. And I'm going to save the other half for later on. Alright. This is Dr. Akilah. Thank you for looking at my video presentation on how to make natural cough syrup. Tune in next time for the next video. And I leave you as I greeted you with the blessings of love, peace, health, happiness, and prosperity. Have a great day.